Halika na nga, umalis na tayo. Nasayang lang ang oras namin.
On the way na. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ingat ka. Ang ko pa din siya. Ay, okay lang po ba? Mukha po kasi kitapin ko na ng friend kong si Bea. Bea? As in, taong nag-comfort sa kanila? Yes. By the way, I'm her friend. Siya Dalasan. Ate, ba't ka po ba umiiyak?
Mga friends ko kasi nililap at and then hinalas na ako sa pupunto nila.
Oh. By the way, kaming dalaw ni Bea yung magiging bago mong kaibigan.
Really?
Thank you. Wait, guys! Kaibigan na pala kayo. Magiging kaibigan natin siya for a lifetime. A long, long time. Sure, oh my God. I'm so happy having your friend.
Thank you guys so much. It will be a time for me to recover from my old friends.
Yeah, forget about them.
Like, they're not worth it. Trust me.
Don't think about your old friends, like we're here now for you. Yeah, because they're toxic. Like, they don't deserve you. Like, they're too weird.
Right.
Diba?
It's okay. You guys are so much better than them.
Yeah.
We know that. I appreciate it.
Yeah.